Today, we're diving into the incredible story of data engineering. It's an absolute game changer.
You can think of it like this. Data engineering is the secret kitchen behind every single app you use.
Basically, it's the plumbing that makes modern data science and AI even possible. So how did it all start?
Well, in the early days, data was just a huge mess, trapped in different systems that couldn't talk to each other.
The answer? The data warehouse. It used a simple process: extract, transform, and then load. That's ETL. And just like that, this gave data real structure. Now, businesses could ask questions and actually get clear answers. But, of course, the internet changed everything. Suddenly, there was way too much data, coming in way too fast. Hello, big data.
Yeah, the old warehouses just couldn't keep up. So a new system, Hadoop, came along to handle that massive scale.
Hadoop's secret sauce was something called MapReduce. It splits a huge job into tiny pieces for hundreds of computers to solve together. Now, Hadoop was a beast, but man, it was slow. Businesses needed answers now, not in a few hours. And that's where Apache Spark comes in. It's an engine that supercharged everything by using fast in-memory processing. You can see here how Spark is just really smart. It organizes its work to avoid slow data movement, which boosts performance. This totally unlocked stream processing. Now we could analyze things like clicks or sensor data the instant they happened. So what's the point? Well, this whole journey built the foundation for the amazing AI we see all around us today.
E-commerce, fraud detection, medical research. Modern data engineering is the quiet backbone for all of it.
So that leaves us with a pretty big question. With these insane tools, what huge problems are we going to solve next?